Hello, if you see me for the first time, this is OT, Easy Recipe by OT. Today's video, we are going into the heart of Calabar.
So the style of this dish is blended Afang with crayfish, followed by water leaf, and then we have our catfish. We are not going to forget our flavorful stockfish. Please go for a delicious palm oil. This recipe does not need onions. I'm only going to season the meat with this.
I'm going to go in with all my seasoning.
Into the blender, throw in your pepper and onions and pour it.
This is called bomo, so we're just going to add this for extra munch. Alright, see.
Or you're going to use salt to clean up by scrubbing thoroughly. Alright, so this is it. And this on the outer skin, because this has been exposed and we do not know how the people who processed handle the fish, so it's better off with hot water. And before you get to use the hot water, please use your salt, give it a bit of scrub, and then yeah, that's it. You want to take out this. Good. Then put this back. Can you see all this? This is bony and this is dirty. So you want to run the top. Clean up. So this is to remind you that you should wash your fish on their own tap. See how? First, begin by adding your salt to the already seasoned meat, stockfish, and cook it for at least 10 minutes. This will be properly cooked for flavor to be extracted, and then once that is ready, go in with your palm oil. The proportion of your water leaf to afang should be 2:1, and you want to saute this first. Add a generous amount of crayfish powder, throw in your goat meat that has been properly cooked, and then you want to stir that to combine. At this point, you want to throw in your washed catfish so that it can still retain its size. And then you go in with your meat stock. At this point, you want to go in with the blended Afang, and you can add your spice, which is your pepper, and this soup is 100% ready. Cover that off for a minute, uncover after a minute, stir to combine, test for salt, and serve. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.